What's going on, everybody? We are back today with something I'm extremely excited about. This is a special project with Peanut. This is Peanut. I'm KC from Handy KC, and we are going to pour our very first exotic pourer epoxy countertop in some of the weirdest colors we've ever done. Let's go to work. Now we're going to proceed to mix this batch uncolored for 3 minutes. So what we're going to do is pour some of this into some red Solo cups. This is the smallest pour we're going to do. Stir that up really well for me, please. And we just took a smidge out to put some of the gold spray paint in the epoxy. We're going to split the other 3 of these up about equally and mix a few other colors in with them. Next thing we're going to do, I'm going to give you this. We're going to mix a pretty healthy portion of this purple into one of these. Yeah. We're going to do this one with a healthy dose of glittery pink. The purple looks cool as hell. I probably shouldn't say hell if kids are going to be watching this. Cool as shit.
It's going to be amazing, okay? It's going to be amazing. Okay?
What she just said. We're going to mix the white metallic. We did purple metallic. We did pink metallic. She wanted a light blue. So we took this white metallic powder and mixed it up. And we are going to give that
a little bit of blue.
A dose of light blue Rust-Oleum. So that way we actually have a light metallic blue is what we're hoping for.
Ooh,
isn't that pretty? I dig that. And here's the plan. We're going to dump all of this purple in here. I know that purple, you work so hard to mix. So we have the first layer of purple in there, and we're going to add a little gold to this.
So you already put the gold in the cup there.
There's a plan here, child.
Okay.
And then we're going to add the pink.
So
we need a little bit of silver in there. This is actually probably my favorite one because I didn't know how this was going to turn out. And she really wanted a light blue in there. So this is the one where we mixed the white metallic
with the
powder with the blue spray, with a light blue spray paint. Check out how this came out. That came out looking like pearl, like a blue pearl.
Once we're done putting everything in the bucket, we're going to have to show it to you.
Do one more layer of gold. And one, because I bought the spray paint, we just like the color. We're going to add this really cool color of blue that we picked up. Are we ready to pour?
Yes, but first we have to show the bucket.
Dear camera.
This is our bucket look.
Okay, she wanted to show the bucket to the camera, so there it is. We are going to now give this thing a pour and see how it comes out. Pop all the bubbles in this and shove this around a little bit. You push it around, manipulate it how you want it. Oh, it's bringing out the blue. If you like what we've done here, that's fine. We're going to do something different. You guys want gold too, right? Okay. So this is what we came up with. Honestly, this really looks pretty cool. What do you think, Peanut?
I think it's amazing. It really looks like a galaxy, and colors are just exploding off of it. It does not look like what I expected it to look like. I don't know what I was expecting though. I was just expecting color, and this is more color and vibrant, glittery stuff than I expected. Yes.
It's kind of crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not bad for a first try. Right on. Cool. All right, we will give an after picture of this at the end of the video, just because this is going to continue to flow because there's a lot of material here. So we'll let you know what this looks like, what the actual final product of this looks like. We might move the stuff around on the edges a little bit with a gloved hand because it just looks like it's running off now, and I think we can do better than that. But it's going to be a little bit. But again, we'll put a final product up at the end of the video. But I mean, at this point, until next time, think outside the box and do something cool.